What's the meaning of all right? All right. All right. All right. All right. All right.
All right is a phrase commonly used to indicate that everything is satisfactory or acceptable. It can also be used as a greeting or a way of acknowledging an understanding. The word all suggests a complete or total satisfaction, while right indicates correctness or agreement. It can be used in various situations, such as when confirming plans or agreements, checking if someone is okay, or expressing approval. In summary, all right typically means that things are good or okay, and it can have a variety of uses in everyday communication.